In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Woocommerce API key in just 5 minutes. For all the savvy webmasters and aspiring online shop owners out there, you already know that having an API key for your Woocommerce site can open up a world of possibilities. From integrating your shop with other platforms to managing your store's data without ever needing to log into your WordPress dashboard, this is one trick you'll definitely want to have up your sleeve. Let's get started by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your entire website, and accessing it is the first step. If you're not sure how, just type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin into your browser and you'll be prompted to log in. Once you're in, your journey to API enlightenment begins with a simple click on Settings. This might seem like a small step, but it's the gateway to configuring the finer details of your website. You'll find it towards the bottom of the dashboard, often represented by a gear icon. It's worth taking a moment here to appreciate just how customizable WordPress really is. Whether it's setting up your website's writing and reading options or configuring discussions and media, this is where it all happens. As we venture further, the next click to make is on Advanced. This section is where the really powerful configurations live, including managing your site's database, permalinks, and crucially for us, your WooCommerce settings. Now for the star of the show, click on REST API. This might sound a bit techy if you're new to it, but REST API is essentially a set of rules that allows different pieces of software to communicate with each other. For WooCommerce, it means you can manage your store programmatically, from creating products to processing orders, all without ever touching the WordPress dashboard. At this point, you're only one click away from your goal. Find and click on Create an API Key. This is the moment where the potential of your WooCommerce store starts to expand. Imagine seamlessly syncing your inventory with an external management system or creating custom shopping experiences on other platforms. That's what's at stake here. Once you've clicked, you'll be prompted to fill out a form that includes a description, user and permissions for the API key. This is where you get to decide how much access the key has. Think of this as giving someone a key to your house. The permissions you set now determine whether they can just water the plants or if they have full access to the cookie jar. Choose wisely based on what tasks you want the API key to perform. After filling out the necessary details, the final step is to click Generate API Key. With this last click, you're not just generating a key, you're unlocking a whole new level of efficiency and automation for your WooCommerce store. Now you might be thinking, what's next? First off, keep this API key safe. It's as important as any password, as it grants access to your store's data. Secondly, start exploring what you can do with it. Whether it's integrating with other platforms, automating tasks, or creating custom applications, the possibilities are nearly endless. Before we conclude, a word to the wise. With great power comes great responsibility. While it's exciting to have this new tool in your arsenal, be mindful of who you share your API key with and what applications you use it for. The safety and security of your WooCommerce store depend on it. And that's it. You now possess the knowledge to generate your WooCommerce API key, an essential step towards leveraging the full potential of your online store. Remember, every big achievement begins with the decision to try. Today, you've taken a pivotal step towards optimizing and expanding your WooCommerce site's capabilities, positioning yourself for greater success in the digital marketplace. I hope this guide has been helpful as you embark on this exciting journey of discovery and automation. Remember that help is always available within the WooCommerce community or through numerous online resources dedicated to making the most of your WooCommerce store. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.